number 3. How you doing?
All right.
All right. You gotta make sure you're walking against them so you know you're coming. So, number 3 here. Kind of walk over to here. So I think the one that I looked down below is this trail right up here. So, kind of walk over here and continue on. We're kind of coming back down. That's where I started. That's what we'll do. We'll get back on the other trail over here. We'll see where that goes. As long as we don't get lost. But so that's where I came in over there. So now we'll follow this one over here. Now, there's a lot of these bike trails around Minnesota. Dirt bike trail. Yeah, there we go. So now we're gonna go this way. This is easy. That was more difficult, so I came in this way. So we'll go. This one's the easy one. I could do this one. See trash here, but now this doesn't have that really nice feel to it. You're out in the middle of nowhere like the ones over that Lone Lake. So over here used to be a golf dome. Okay, nice. This one might lead all the way over to the other side, I think. I don't know. Yeah, that was the golf dome over there. It reminds me of the there's a tree out in Trees of Mystery. It's a wedding chapel, they call it. 3 trees together. You can get married in it. It's kind of cool. Oh, someone's coming for me. Gonna kick my ass. But there's the other trail you guys saw. My other videos where I walked over by Edina or by the park. That was a nice little walk in. That was cool as hell. I had fun going there. So usually don't go anywhere, but it's just kind of fun for me to walk around, do something substantial. Whoosh, we hit the ball. Yeah, people will probably hit balls up here, you know, which can be dangerous if you don't know who's up here. So you're down there, 4, up yelling. Must have a tourney going on up there. See how good a swing he does. Must hit straight. Whenever I play people, because I'm a caddy, I'm used to watching golf balls, and once you tell them where, then they expect you to watch the golf ball. It's like, listen, I'm not here to watch your golf ball. Or bingo, bango, bongo. I hate that. First on, first up, first in, whatever. Slows up play. Family's having a tournament here in September in Little Falls on the 23rd. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna go. Yeah, I must be having an attorney. But it's probably close to the pin. Or something, who knows. It's a fun golf course. Played it many times way back when the 90s. Lord. Yeah, it would be good to be wearing headsets when you're walking through here. This will be a fun one. Hey guys,
Yo.
How's it going?
Good.
He's cruising. He's fine. He was booking. Wanted to pass him, but I hate to pass the wrong side. Down the hill you go. I don't know how far this one goes, if it connects to the other one, but there's that, I don't know if you can see it, but up on the hill there's a par 3, and the hole goes directly down. I love that hole, it's great. Looks easy, but then you... Up and over. Yeah, you have to listen. It's like a, oh, that's a walking trail or not over there. But just gotta be careful when you're out here. Don't get lost. And over. Up the hill and down the hill. Yeah, we'll just go every other day. Kind of back off on the channel a little bit. Just do videos every other day. If I want to talk about something in between the videos, I can. I've had my fun for 2 years. A lot of work, man. A lot of work. So it was fun doing it, getting way ahead of yourself. But if I wanted to go any more videos, I'd have to leave the state. And, I mean, I guess I could, but it's a lot of work. So it is what it is. That's a nice tree. I was up there before. So, yeah, that's a pretty interesting tree right there. We're having a attorney over there. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this little adventure of walking around. We're going to do some of the other channel for the exploring channel for fun. So we'll do some of that and then we'll head on back to car. So hope you enjoyed the 3 videos. We'll have the time of our lives. So anyways, guys, talk to you guys all later. Thanks to the view.